To link Cash App to your Webull account, follow these steps. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Access your Cash App banking details. Tap on the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will find your routing number and account number. Open Webull. Launch the Webull app or desktop platform and log into your account. Go to the Transfer section. On the app, navigate to the Account tab and select Deposit or Transfer from the options. On the desktop platform, go to Transfer or Fund Account in the main menu. Add the bank account. Choose the option to add a new bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Enter Cash App details. Input the routing number and account number from your Cash App account. Ensure these details are correct to facilitate the link. Verify the account. Webull may require verification of your Cash App account. This can involve small test deposits or other verification methods. Confirm and complete. Review and confirm the linking process. Your Cash App account should now be linked to Webull.